Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS, and in this video, I will discuss about multiple choice question with multiple answer. In LifterLMS, we have multiple choice question type, and this is a core feature of LifterLMS. That means it's available in the free version, also in the paid version. Here you can see I have created a question with multiple choice where your student can select a specific answer. Also, there is an option to select multiple choice, multiple correct answer. So in this video, I'll show you that how you can create multiple choice question with multiple answer. That means your student will be available to select multiple correct answer. First, we have to visit our WordPress dashboard for creating the quiz. I'm visiting my WordPress dashboard, and then we have to visit courses and courses. I will select LifterLMS Quick Start course for my quiz. I have to click on Builder, and I want to add a quiz in this second lesson. Now we have to click on this Add Quiz option, create new quiz. And first of all, I will publish this quiz. And here we have couple of settings. We already have tutorial on that. Now I will add my question. So here is the multiple choice question type. Now I will add a random question here. And I will add the choice here. You can add more choice here. If you click on that right side plus icon, you will be available to use more option. So I have three options here. So now in this current setup, the student only can select one answer. But if you want that your student will be available to select multiple correct answer, then we have to enable the multiple correct choice. Now we have to enable this multiple correct choice, and now we can select two answer as an admin. So now I'll save this, and if I open this as a student, I will open this and I will see that as a student, now I can select two options because I selected two correct answer on the backend. So here you can see now I can select multiple correct answer in this multiple choice question. And if I click complete quiz, so here is the result. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.